Welcome to our channel. Backing up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive ensures your chat history is safe and can be restored on a new device. Follow this complete tutorial. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu, then tap on Chats to access chat settings. Step 3. Tap on Chat Backup to view your backup options and settings. Step 4. Tap on Backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred backup frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap Backup. Step 5. Select the Google account you want to use for backups. If you haven't added one, tap Add Account and sign in. Step 6. Choose whether to backup over Wi-Fi only or include cellular data. Wi-Fi only is recommended to avoid data charges. Step 7. Decide if you want to include videos in your backup. Note that including videos will increase backup size significantly. Step 8. Tap Backup Now to create an immediate backup. Wait while WhatsApp uploads your messages and media to Google Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.